I want you so bad, it's making me mad. I want
14 crunchy layers, creamy cheese. Marcus can't resist.
A week-long workshop on road infrastructure of North East India concluded on Saturday at the North Eastern Council Auditorium Hall. It was organized by the Central Road Research Institute, CSIR. K. Moses, Chief Secretary, North Eastern Council, was the chief guest of the event. Apart from them, IIT Guwahati Director Professor K. Iyer, VSM, Bro, East, PK H Singh, and CSIR, Professor Manoranjan Parida. During this and more was signed with CSIR and IIT Guwahati. The main objective of this week-long workshop was to discuss and find solutions to the challenges faced in the construction of road and transport sector infrastructure due to the geographical and topographical features of the North East India region. In his address, Bro, East, VSM, PK H Singh, referring to the challenges in road and transport construction due to the geographical and topographical features of North East India, said that the construction work in North East India is completely different from other parts of the country. Here the biggest challenge is the problem of land acquisition, which is very important to solve. As the chief guest, K. Moses, Chief Secretary, North Eastern Council, emphasized on the use of new and artificial intelligence techniques to reduce the challenges faced in the construction of road and other transport infrastructure in North East India due to the geographical and topographical features of this North East India region.
The biggest problem which we have in this region, in the whole of Northeast, is the land records. The land acquisition, the forest clearance is the one which we are grappling so badly that you would not imagine that today we are having a meeting with the cabinet secretary for certain land acquisition problems in the Arunachal. That's the level at which we are fighting. Because of various things which are there, and the first of foremost thing, there is a big program of the Government of India for digitization of land records which is going on, and I have been told 90% of the thing has already been done in the plain areas. Unfortunately, we are lagging far behind in the Northeast. As we all know, Northeast is a tribal area mostly in the hills, and the hills are not private, they are neither government, they are of community. So these community hills even have got issues with the boundaries. So unless we decide that, we don't even know from where to take the alignment. So that's a basic problem which we are facing, and I would request the NEC to take a lead in this and bring it up in the next council meeting in a big way, so that the sensitization goes up to the ground level.
Finding out by the scientists, engineers, researchers, and technical people like the astute get into here. After after the technology has come, it needs to go up to a maturity level. Otherwise, the technology does not take off. Now, 3D printing director IIT said, Dr. Iyer said, but 3D printing has been there for the last 25, 30 years or more. But maturity took some time, quite a long time. But now it is mature for full deployment. That's what I would like to say. Then the acceptability. New technology is not easily accepted. And then deploy on the field. I'm happy that CSIR has come up with porthole filling technology. Very, very important. I mean, for the whole country, but maybe more Northeast. And the secondary materials that you're looking at. So this technology is very important. But let me tell you, bring it out in the laboratory is one. acceptability and deployment on the ground is another game. I've recently, we have experience in this. I'll just briefly share now. There's a two, and it's like a apple and orange. They are different. That's the problem with ICR and CA. They've got so many, technologies, agriculture which has come up, but they say that someone said less than 10% fine way to the field. Actually, I want to still further give the discount. So good invention, good research products are there, but how it goes to the ground is a big, big challenge. And that's where I think people like me are also, no, I know, very, very responsible in that sense.